Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a movie project so you can edit immediately. First, tap the plus and choose Movie, import clips from photos or files. Make sure you have enough storage and a consistent resolution to avoid choppy exports. Once imported, skim clips and mark the best takes. This saves time. You should also set the aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape or square for social, so edits and titles fit correctly as you build the timeline. You now shape the story by trimming and arranging clips on the timeline. Drag to reorder, pinch to zoom the timeline, and use the blade to split where pacing changes. Once done, add transitions between clips and adjust clip speed for emphasis or slow motion. Color correction fixes exposure and makes scenes match. Make sure to add titles and overlays where needed, and balance audio, background music lower than voice. If you need narration, record a voiceover. You finish by tapping Done and selecting Share to export. Pick the resolution that matches your destination, 720p, 1080p, or 4K, and save to photos or files. Once exported, verify playback to confirm audio levels and titles look correct. If you need to re-edit, use Duplicate Project to preserve the original. If things go wrong, like crashes or failed exports, free up storage, force quit iMovie, restart your iPad, and install updates. That sequence resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.